So what's up guys, how's it going? Guppygtmoney as third back again, So this weekend we're gonna have a mini break at Alfred State at my school today. I mean this weekend we're gonna have a mini break, so it's gonna be we're gonna have Monday and Tuesday off, so we're gonna have the weekend and Monday and Tuesday. So it's Friday, I only have one class. I might just not go to it, which is English. I supposed to have calculus, but my professor he said he's taking a day off, so we're not having class on Friday. So my goal this weekend is tomorrow after my chemistry lab I'm gonna head home, and so it'll be Thursday night and Thursday evening. That day I'm gonna be going home, get my my goal is this weekend is build a PC, because I be running my laptop right now, which is not really effective for me. I can't really run. I'm doing solid work right now. This is what I have set up right now. This is my laptop, MacBook Pro to early 2012, and this is my monitor and stuff like that. And it's not really effective for me right now. I can't really run solid work like really good because the processor is not really good, and it's got 8 GB of RAM on it though. I mean it's not really heavy right now because I don't do a lot of things on SolidWorks yet, but soon I'm gonna be using it. So I got my AMD FX 6300 coming in because I burned my own one because I increased the voltage when I overclocked it, so which is not good. Don't try it. Make sure you really know what you're doing before you actually overclock it, or you'll end up like me, have to buy another one. So that's what my goal is this weekend. I'm gonna be doing is build a PC. I'm gonna make a sleeper PC, which is gonna be like an old ass case, stuff on what I have at home. So it's gonna be running at 4.0 gigahertz. We're gonna be overclocked from 3.5 to 4.0. AMD FX 6300. So it's gonna be, and I got GNR 960 on it. So it's gonna have 960 at 2 gig and 8 gig of RAM, DDR3 at 1333 because my motherboard sucked. My motherboard can only handle 1333 instead of 1600, and my RAM did. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing, and hopefully it's gonna be a good build video, And yes, on our way home right now, finally mini break, looking nice and sunset over there, view. Just got off class about an hour and a half ago, on the way home, like about 30 minutes away. I gotta go get my hair cut. I gotta cut my own hair. And yeah, right now we just look at my stuff tracking over here, and we're about to pass. We just passed Tayunga down. Now we're gonna go into Oviedo. So soon I get home tonight, I'm gonna be putting my PC together, and hopefully it works. Hopefully. And yeah, all right, see you guys home. Driving right now. Don't want to take any more video. Yo, what's up guys? Just got home today, and I literally just got home and I saw a bunch of boxes, so I'm gonna make a little unboxing video. Haven't made an unboxing video in a while. So what we got here is 3 containers. And a 3 package. Here's the first one. Let's open it. See what it is. I think this might be the mount pad. Yes. It's actually a mount pad that I got from Wish.com. That's where I like to shop a lot. Wish. I got these. Oh damn, the material is really nice. I got these look at this, huge mouse pad. I gotta make a review of it later on. Actually, I love the feeling. It's a little thin though, but it feels really nice. So let's put these boxes out and lay these on the table. Wow. This is huge. Wow, I love these actually. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a wall mat. Okay, the next one is There we go. That's what I was expecting. Another one. Come on, focus camera. Yep. AMD 6300 Black Edition. So we're gonna be overclock this CPU again, but not much as last time because I kind of burned the last time. Oh, it also came with a little tiny heatsink right here. It came with a little tiny heatsink, the stock heatsink. So I'm gonna use this build for our sleeper build. So we're gonna put it right here. I just have the own kits over there. Okay, so now this is, I think, for my car. Yes. This is for my car. I'll show you what it is. See? It's a Ryrie armor. Pretty much what it is it's a mud flap you can put in your car and stuff. Wow, the material actually is really tough. Not tough, like it's really hard material. Is not flexible at all. That's what I heard a lot of people was complaining about it. So this one came with just the mud flap, no mounting screw, no hole, no nothing at all. So you have to do it yourself. So look, like this one's gonna go on the, you know, on the driver passenger side. So yeah, we got 4 of them came in. Yep, all 4. Nice and pretty, all nice and packaged and everything. Wow. All right, that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the PC I have together. Hold on, let me see, get this camera out. So I have this PC right here. I'm gonna take off the motherboard and everything. I was gonna put that on that case. So I'm gonna make it like a sleeper PC, if you know what I mean. And we're gonna put everything back in that case, and we're gonna paste again because I want to save this case for later. I got something else to do with this case. It's gonna be really cool for winter coming up, so stay tuned for it. Well, I just finished trying to figure out what's going on with the PC build, and turned out that I got a little setup right here. Turned out nothing was really improvement at all. Got new CPU on it, it doesn't work. I ran a couple of diagnoses to it, still didn't work. No pulse, no beep, no nothing at all. And I tried to return the CPU. This is the old one though. This is the old CPU. This is the new one. I was gonna return it. Somehow they won't fucking let me return it. Yeah, so this is the case I have. I want to build on it. So I guess what I'm gonna do now, then and a bunch of own cooler fans up over here. This is what the cooler I have. Water coolant. H100i V2 right there. Got it from Great. And I'm gonna try to return the CPU, or if not, I'm just gonna YOLO it, forget the CPU and move on to Intel and get a new big ass build on it. And this is the own, like really own CPU that I have. I was testing it out, see if it worked. It still don't work. Damn, Steve. See what you eating, Steve? So first now let's talk about my PC build. So what I got is a mess right now, and okay, hold on, grab camera. Okay, so this is my PC. It might not look like PC, but it is a PC. Okay, so let me make a rundown. I just bring these back from the dorm room from my school. So what I have is a own case right there. This is the back of the own case. IO stuff is it. Okay, this is the SSD and the hard drive. I really just I used to put them somewhere out, but I'm taking up with me to the school, so it's easy for me to transport it instead of putting them in the case, you know. So I don't have my AMD build yet, so I only have one PC's running right now. And what I got today is this is the case. So that is the own motherboard, not the own one, the one I have currently right now on that system, on that setup. That's the motherboard right now. And the new one just got here is right here, MSI. This is Asus M5A, you know. So that's what I have right now. The problem I have with that one is that I'm having problem connecting my audio back here, connecting to it. So I'm gonna move everything to this new motherboard just got here today. I mean, I got here on Wednesday or something, but I just got back from school. So this is the new motherboard. Gonna try it out. This is in the static sharp thing bag. So this is the tray itself. Came with pretty nice actually. Came with that, and got one. Oops. Here we go. This is the new motherboard just arrived today. So we got SATA gigabytes over here. I mean 6 GB per second. The new one, actually the MSI one, I kind of like it better. They got like three fans controller module, USB 2, USB, and it's kind of cool that they label each of them. 4-pin connector. Is this a fan? What is that? I don't know what's up here. Alright, let's swap these over here. I would start shooting video, then I got really bored after a while. Alright, so I would start shooting the video. Now I got really bored from shooting it because I gotta find something interesting to do. So what I'm gonna do is right now is I'm gonna put everything back in that the case over here I have. So I got this motherboard, brand new one. I'm gonna put that one in the case and use this Corsair water block over here, which is really nice. Gonna put everything back in the white case I have over here behind me, and we're gonna be using it as a workstation now. So I'm not gonna build like Intel for a while, so I'm gonna use that instead to do the rest of the build. I mean, to use that for the rest of the year until like I got money to use the Intel. I have the Intel CPUs over there back in my shelf over here, my little tiny shell I built, and that's the case right there, you're wondering, right behind me. And I'm using the